Hi guys, it has been a while. I think the last unboxing that I've done was back in February when the BTS Map of the Soul 7 album was out. Today I have the Map of the Soul tour merch to share with you guys. I missed out on the first round when the merch was released by like literally a few minutes. So I waited until they released the second round and finally got my hands on it. So I know a bunch of you guys have already seen what the merch looks like, but I hope you guys are still interested in seeing what I've got. So without any further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and start unboxing. It's literally been, I think, like 3 months. So I kind of don't even remember what I even bought for this merch round. So I guess we'll just have to see. So here's a quick overview. Box is really big for what doesn't seem to be much. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff here. Oh, the tubes came undone, which is very unfortunate. Like, okay, I'm gonna get this out the way. Oh my goodness. So I guess we'll start off with this image picket because that's what you guys have already seen in the box. So of course I had to get my bias, Jimin. Like, just look at him. He looks so great in this silver blue tone hair. Just reminds me of Blood, Sweat and Tears era. So I was like, I must get. This image picket also includes this charm dangling. It's different from the other image picket where it's just, you know, just the image itself. There's no additional charm. So I think that's really great. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and dig through this baggie first. So let's see what we should do. I have these lucky draws. I think the limit was 5 for these mini photo cards. Oh, actually I got 3 of the lucky draws. I think we're just gonna do the photo cards first, and then we'll move on from there. So, I got 5 of the mini photo card set. Hopefully they're not dupes, but I have a feeling 1 or 2 might be dupes, but hopefully they aren't. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start, open one of them first. And to be honest with you guys, I haven't really been watching unboxing for these round of merch just because, I don't know, it's just COVID has been going around and I haven't really been interested, to be honest. And I also want to, you know, surprise myself and wait, because for everything else I'm always like, oh my god, I need to watch, see what the merch looks like, but this time I had a little bit of self-control. So anyways, this is what the box looks like. It's a shiny gray, and here it just says tour mini photo card, the BTS, not BTS, Big Hit logo stamp. How do I do this? I'm like struggling. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. So first up we have Namjoon. Oh my gosh, she just looks so good with this white silver hair. This whole outfit in the background looks really nice. So this is 3 out of 8. Next we have Jin, Worldwide Handsome. This is 2 out of 8. Here we have Yoongi. This is so cute. This is 6 out of 8. Yeah, I'm actually really happy with myself that I didn't watch any unboxings because this is very, you know, refreshing and new to me that I haven't seen these yet. Hobie is 5 out of 8. Jimin, 5 out of 8. V, let's see, this is 3 out of 8. JK is 2 out of 8. And then unit of RM, Yoongi, JK, and Hobie. This is 2 out of 8. So I'm just gonna lay these cards down here so we see if we get any dupes. I'm gonna put them in order of. Okay, next set of photo cards. Hopefully they're not dupes. Let's pray. Yes, they're not dupes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Namjoon. This is 5 out of 8. Put this here. Oops, move it a little bit. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Jin. Aw. This is 6 out of 8. Okay. Yoongi. Oh my gosh. Look at this. So cute. This is, cannot see, 8 out of 8. For a second I thought these were dupes because they're kind of similar, but they're not. Super cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is Hobie. Wow. This is 7 out of 8. Jiminy is 8 out of 8. V, oh my gosh, looks so good. This is 2 out of 8. Then, aw, look at that smile. How adorable. Oh my gosh. This is 8 out of 8. And then, oh yay, different unit. This is Jin, Tae, and Jimin. This is 8 out of 8. Okay, our third set. Okay, oh no, this is a dupe. No. No. No, they're the exact same. Okay, well that's a bummer. Okay, so our first dupe set. I'll put it over here. Then our fourth set. Okay, hopefully they're not a dupe. Yes, they're not a dupe, right? Yeah, they're not a dupe. Good. Okay, so RM, this is 6 out of 8. Why does... No, they're not a dupe. Okay, thought I was tripping for a second. This is 3 out of 8. Yoongi, this is 4 out of 8. Hobie, oh, these are so precious. Oh my gosh, this is 7 out of 8. Jimin, oh my god, cutest little boy. 6 out of 8. This is a dupe. Huh, we got another Tae dupe. That's weird. Usually, if it's a different set, it shouldn't be a dupe. But 3 out of 8, so got another one of Tae. I'll put this to the side. JK, this is 5 out of 8. And then, yay, another Tae Jin Jimin. This is 4 out of 8. Okay, and the last photo card set. Let's hope that it's not another dupe. Please, please, please. Oh my gosh. And it's another dupe. What do you know? Oh, I'm so pissed. Oh, I am so pissed. Literally the exact same. Why? Why? I mean, really? Okay, well, that's 2 set of dupes. But, okay, whatever. At least we got 3 for each, except for Tae, which we only got 2 of, but it's okay. Whatever. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the lucky draws. To be honest, I don't even remember what they are. I think they're magnets, if I'm not wrong. Probably am. Yeah, I think they might be magnets. So I'm gonna go ahead and tear this open. See who we get. Oh my gosh, I think we got Jimin's. I see his face. Where's my little... And it is! Okay, let me just zoom you guys in. Yes, we got Jimin. As okay, put this back. Second lucky draw. This is... oh, I think this is Jin. See his face. It is Jin. Oh my gosh, he looks beautiful. And then the last lucky draw. This is Hobie. I see Hobie. Dun, 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 dun. Look at him. He looks like he's on the verge of tears. Or is it just me? Oh, why does he look so sad? Let me see the other one, see if they look sad. Well, Jimin looks kind of pissed, to be honest. Jin, oh my gosh. Yeah, he looks sad. He looks pissed, and then Jin looks okay. But yay, 3 different ones, so I'm happy about that. Okay, next up are these key rings. So I got both Jimin and V. I'm gonna open Jimin's first. My hand is like shaking. Whoa! Oh, I thought they were sticked in together. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is like a silicone piece. This is Tor with the BTS logo. Then here is like a what material would you call this? Velcro? It's not really Velcro because it's not really sticking, but here it says Map of the Soul. Map of the Soul. And then we have little Jimin's face. So pretty. And then the back has the emblem as well. And also says BTS. Oh, so cute. Okay, and then last one is these. Okay, again, the strap thing, the silicone piece, and then oh, wow, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, this piece is really cute. I'm glad I got this. Okay, so now we are going to move on to the poster set, which the tube, as you guys saw earlier, came off. Okay, so this is in a plastic. Okay, how do I take this off? Okay, it's literally a struggle every single time doing poster unboxings because literally it's just unrolling, and then okay, this is gonna make it so much more difficult because not every poster is in the same format. Okay, but can we just take a moment to appreciate this photo though? Like, oh my gosh, this is such a great poster. This is literally perfection. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm obsessed with this poster officially. Okay, this is not going well. Here we have Yoongi. Ooh, Hobi. This is a great photo of Hobi. Wow. I love this. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm trying not to struggle here, but it's literally impossible because of my posture right now and how these posters are like unrolling by itself. Here we have Jimin. Wow. Just wow. And then Tae. Right here. And then JK. Wow, he looks amazing. So that is the end for my BTS Map of the Soul tour merch. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video. If you did, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button as well as subscribe to my channel to see more future videos like this. And I will see you guys soon. Bye!